Good morning, guys. It is currently 6:45. JapFest Day, Sunday the 13th of April. Let's get ready to go. So guys, we're now here, we're parked up. And Grace. Yeah, we're just gonna get out of the car, get queued up for the show. Can't go in until 10, it's currently, what time is it?
9:21.
Yeah, we've still got 40 minutes, but
There you go.
we've got a queue. Weather's alright, Grace needs a wee. Yeah, let's get on with the show. So guys, we're now here at Jackfest. I don't know how well you can hear me because there was drifting going on. We are going to go and check that out in a little bit, but I'll throw up on screen now. There is a plan of action for the day. They got a little itinerary, so I'll throw that up here. But the main thing I'm looking forward to is the Drift King session, which you can hear going on right now. So I'm definitely going to be checking those out. Obviously we'll check the show out, but I'll be honest, it is just a lot of club stands. There isn't great cars here. But obviously, I'm here with the drifting. Maybe looking for some inspiration for the new build. But yeah, so we're gonna head over to the drifting now, go to the grandstand, watch some of that, look around the pits. Don't really know the exact plan of action there, but like I said, there's the itinerary. So we'll get on with that, and I'll pick up with you guys then. What time is it?
10 o'clock exactly.
So that was the drifting portion. I'm gonna go and take a look at the show now. Don't really know what is there. There's a lot of cars here, but there's a lot of club stands, there's the shows, there's obviously the trade stands. There's quite a lot to look at, but I'll post some clips above that. Yeah, let's carry on with the show day. The show runs from about 10 till 5. I don't think we're gonna stay here that long, but I'll pick up if there's any cool cars, any strange cars, any notable, terrible cars. I'll pick up with the camera then. Let's go and have a look at the show. So guys, it started raining. It's cool R34 there. So as you would have saw, there's some clips from the R33 revving. Unreal. If you don't know, one of my dream cars is an R33. We're going to carry on looking around the show. Probably will be more of an edit style now because, say, it's raining and wet. I'm going to get the best footage I can for you guys. Probably going to call it a day after all this rain. But yeah, let's see what we can find. So it's now pouring down. They're a bit wet. Sorry. Yeah, I think we're probably just gonna go home. Yeah, Jackfest done. I'll pick up with you guys when I'm on the way home or when I'm home. Good show?
Can't see.
So we're back at the car. It is pouring down. Yeah, Grace's glasses need some ceramic coating. Gonna get home. I don't know how long this video was. The day was alright. There was a few decent cars there, but the main obviously purpose of the day was to watch the drifting, see the drift cars around the pits and stuff. They're obviously really good, but the rest of the show is a lot of club stands. There's some good cars, as you would have seen in the little edit portion. But other than that, it was just a good day out. It's now raining and we need to get home. So yeah, let's do that and I'll pick up with you guys when I get back. So, as you can tell, we are now home. That was a very long, wet drive back. But the day all in all was actually a really good day. Jackfest obviously put on a good show with the drifting. That's the main thing I was looking out for. The video came out really well. A huge shout out to the Satire stand because they probably had the best cars on stand at the show. So yeah, obviously you'd have seen that was the R33 revving, that stand with all the cool stance cars on. Particularly enjoyed seeing that as well as the drifting, of course. If you do enjoy these show style videos, don't worry, we have some more coming up. There are more shows in the UK in the coming weeks, so there will be videos on those. So drop a comment if you do enjoy them.
don't worry, as you can see from the parcel behind me, we are back on the Polo in next week's video, so keep an eye out for that one. And obviously, if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe, because there'll be a new video every single Sunday at 5 PM. For me, I'll catch you guys in the next one.